Imagine working 40 hours a week, sometimes more, and still feeling like you're barely getting ahead. This is Sarah's story. She's 28, works a corporate job, and no matter how hard she works, she's stuck in the same financial rut. Sound familiar? You're not alone. This is the first trap, the paycheck illusion. Most 9-to-5 jobs give a steady income, but the truth is, your salary rarely keeps up with inflation. Even raises often don't cover the rising cost of living. You work hard, but your wealth barely grows. Then there's lifestyle creep. As your income rises, so do your expenses. A slightly better job or promotion doesn't make you richer, it just makes you spend more. The system is designed to keep you comfortable, but financially trapped. Finally, the time trap. Your hours are traded for money, and time is the most valuable currency. When you trade all your hours for a paycheck, you never truly build wealth or freedom. The 9-to-5 traps are real, but escaping them is possible. Financial freedom starts with awareness. Budget smarter, invest, build multiple income streams, and take control of your time. Don't let the system quietly steal your wealth. Break the trap, build your freedom.